Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. I hope you're doing well. I just got to school and I had the craziest drive in. I just have to tell you about it. I was going along driving in my van and I passed Exit Glacier Road. So I'm on the highway going past Exit Glacier Road, and right as I was passing Exit Glacier Road, this moose came out of the woods right in front of me and started running as fast as it could down the highway. I was like, oh, that's kind of weird. And I thought, should I pull over? And then I thought, no, the moose is in front of me and it's running fast. It's almost going as fast as I am. So I just kind of kept going. And then I looked in the mirror to show me what was behind me. And I looked back there and there was a big brown bear running as fast as it could behind me. So there was a moose, then there was my car, then there was this big old brown bear running behind me. And I didn't know what to do. So I thought about it and I just kept driving, and there are all three of us running along, and finally I decided I better pull off. So I pulled off the road and the brown bear kept chasing the moose and they went off into the woods. Believe me? April Fools. Actually, there's a story that my husband has that actually happened to him that's very similar to that. But I'll tell you that another time. For today, we're going to do our calendar. We have a new month. It's April. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. In April, we've got Earth Day coming up, and we've also got Ruby's birthday coming up. This is how we write the date, April 1st, 2020, or 4-1-20. It's our 126th day of school, so I'm going to add a 1 here. In an expanded form, we've got 100 plus 20 plus 6 equals 126. All right, let's go over your schedule for the day. We are doing our morning meeting now. Then I would like you to go get dressed. Please get dressed. Just kidding. You can work in your PJs if your mom says you can. For math, you're going to be working on picture graphs today. A picture graph shows information by putting pictures in each square on the graph. Then you need to go make your bed. Then it's time for reading workshop. During reading workshop today, you're going to be practicing your spelling words. You can practice those any way you want to. Just make sure you're practicing. Then it's time to go feed your spider. During reading today, I want you to retell some facts you learned from the book you've been reading in Kids A to Z. Find somebody to tell your facts to, your brother, your mom, your sister, your grandma, or if nobody's around to listen, tell your stuffed animal. Try and remember everything you can remember about what you've learned. Then it's time to go brush your hair. For writing, kind of similar to what you did for reading, I want you to think about 3 questions that can be answered from what you learned in your book and write a quiz. So 3 questions, be sure to end with a question mark, that can be answered from your book. After that, I want you to do your chores and make sure you get some good outside playtime. Boys and girls, remember at the end of every day to please fill out your daily checklist. All you have to do is go along, and as you finish something, check it off with your dry erase marker, and then take a picture of it and send it to me on Seesaw. That's every day. That way I know what you've been working on and how you're doing. Also, today is our first Zoom meeting for our whole class. I've talked to you, a lot of you already on Zoom, but this is for our whole class at 10 o'clock. So at 10 o'clock, or just a little before 10, get on Zoom and we're going to have a chat together on Zoom. All right, good luck today, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.